Okay, so we've got, if I can get a shot of it, there's a lot of traffic here, but we've got the 30M and the Evolve 50 side by side, so you can kind of see the size difference. We're looking at a 12, and this one, no, not 12, a 10, right?
It's a 10,
It's
yeah.
a 10 on the 30M, and then of course the Evolve 50 is a 12. These are in white, but of course you can get them in black. Height is about the same. But these are really more for like a band application. They've got the app where you can control it off a tablet. And as you can see, they're very popular here at the show. Everybody wants to check them out. And here, they're doing some live band stuff. They got a singer coming on. You can hear what they sound like. This is all they're using. It's just the 30M system. Nothing else on the stage.
I didn't know it was love. The next thing I felt was you holding me close. What was I gonna do? I let myself go, and now I'm flying through the stars. But this night will last forever. I've been waiting for you. It's been so long. I knew just what I would do. When I heard your song, you filled my heart with a kiss. You gave me freedom. I knew I could not resist. I needed someone, and now we're flying through the stars. Hope this night will last forever. Oh, 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 oh. Ain't nobody loves me better. Makes me happy. Makes me feel this way. Ain't nobody loves me better than you. I wait for night times come to bring you to me. Can't believe I'm the one, but we're so lonely. Feel like no one can feel. I must be dreaming. I want this dream to be real. I need this feeling. I make my wish upon a star. Hope this night will last forever. Oh, oh, oh. Ain't nobody loves me better. Makes me happy. Makes me feel this way. Ain't nobody loves me better. Ain't nobody loves me better than you. At first you put your arms around me, then you put your charms around me. I can't resist this way to surrender. And that's a warm and tender. Sing to each other's eyes, and what we see is no surprise. Got to feeling most we treasure. When I love so deep we cannot measure. Ain't nobody loves me better. Makes me happy. Makes me feel this way. Ain't nobody loves me better. Ain't nobody loves me better. Ain't nobody loves me better. Makes me happy. Makes me feel this way. Ain't nobody loves me better. No, ain't nobody loves me better than you.
Cool, huh?
Give it up for Andrea on the vocals there.
Pretty good. Sounds nice.
Yeah, my name's Adrena Brogdon. Super pumped to be playing with these two dudes. I think they're gonna be fun.
And that was just this, the 10-inch 30M. Here, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to spin it around. Look at the back panel here. See what's going on? All the inputs. Of course, you can mix with a tablet with the app. So Yeah, I mean, DJs could use these, I guess. Kind of made for bands, so you can do that front of house mixing really easily. So that's it. That is the 30M here at NAMM.